No two seashores are alike. While moving along the sea beach, you experience the vastness of the sea, and at the same time, you experience the diversity of animals that live under your feet. You are struck by the diversity of animals that live on the seashore. You are walking on their roof. It's amazing. It's a great feeling. Remember those crabs, those worms that squirm down and find shelter in the seashore. All kinds of invertebrates. Seashore offers you a sense of delight, gives you a sense of serenity. Depends whether you are trudging along during low tide or high tide. When there is a high tide, of course, you are struck by the rising waves that come to you, striking at the seashore, moving to a distance, and then receding, maybe dragging your feet. That, of course, is the time when you have to be very careful. But when there is a receding tide, when there is a low tide, you feel the vastness of the seashore. You experience the serenity of the sea, and you look at the distant part of the sea surface. You see the shimmer of light, and you begin to realize how many animals live in the ocean. You wonder its depth, its feelings, its majestic appearance, its color, all depend upon a variety of factors. The ocean is an infinite sense of delight. It offers you food for thought. It excites your imagination. I have trudged along seashores of India, Atlantic, and other parts of the world, and I have always realized that no two seashores are alike, like no two individuals are alike.